I Facebook messaged SC Johnson, a family company who owns Glade, and I asked them why they are not continuing any of their carpet powder refresher, and here is their answer down below. Thanks for confirming. While I don't have an exact reason for the Glade carpet powder refresher being discontinued to share, please know that these are never easy decisions. A lot of factors go into the decision, consumer interest being one of them. I know this may be upsetting, but we are always working on new and exciting products we hope our consumers will love. I can't tell because of the glare what it said. But anyway, that's their response back to my question on, I heard that the Glade carpet refresher is discontinued. Is it true? And yes, it is. Why? That's the reason. Don't know. There you go. That's the reason that SC Johnson said. In the meanwhile, check out my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I have a lot of other brands that have carpet refreshing powder. Aunt Annie's, is it Aunt Annie's? Or Aunt Fanny's. Fanny's is a really good one too. And a couple other companies have carpet refresher powder. So check those out if you want to use those instead. Stay tuned and subscribe, keep following for more cleaning news or information. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.